Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a viral ASMR fruit eating AI video. This is part 1 and where we prepare the perfect AI image that we will later turn into a full video in part 2. So let's get started. First we need a reference. Just open YouTube and then just search for fruit eating fruits like this. And then just scroll to the results and choose one example video. And then just take a quick screenshot of a frame that looks fun and clear. Will be our base image. Just take a screenshot like this. And next just head over to Gemini AI and then just tap on create images. This feature is powered by Nano Banana. It's super powerful for instant AI photo editing. Just tap on it and then just upload the screenshot that we just took. Just tap on plus button, this one, and then gallery, and then just upload your screenshot, and then just type a prompt, type something like that. For example like this, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this, a brand new custom AI image for ASMR fruit eating is ready to use. And okay, that's it for part 1. We have successfully created our AI fruit image with Gemini Nano Banana. And in part 2, I will show you how to turn this image into a fun animated ASMR video using Picverse. So stick around and see you in the part 2.